Hey everybody, what do we got here? We got an itty bitty suck is what we got. Now I'm assuming we'll leave it at that. We're gonna assume, okay, and because I can't not read the numbers on it, I'm not gonna lie to you. The numbers are so small that I cannot read them. And I believe it says T, excuse me, TMUM10. It is a 1/4 inch drive, um, shallow 12-point swivel socket. This thing is itty bitty. Here is my standard 1/4 inch swivel. Here is your standard 10 millimeter socket. You can see how small that is. Now, it's not new. I bought it at a storage sale, and I paid very little for it, but $5. So I'm not going to argue with it. These things are going as much as I've seen used $65, and that's nuts. Would it be my first choice for a 10 millimeter universal? No. And that's because the walls are so thin on it, I wouldn't think it'd be that strong. Here's my 6-point, and here's that. The walls are at best maybe a 1/16 of an inch. But for the right price, it was worth it. And I would have paid a little more than $5 for it. I probably would have paid 10. Again, it's not going to be something I use every day. It won't be my first choice. I'll probably use this one 30 times before I use this one once. The only time I'll use this is in a situation where this one won't fit. The joints still feel nice on it. It's still tight. How does it fit the head? It fits nice and tight. This thing, this 10 millimeter here is probably about 2 years old. I use it basically anytime I need a 10 millimeter universal. So here it goes from there. 6-point, feels tight. 6-point impact feels tight. It is so small. It's cute. And I will be using it, like I said, not a hell of a lot. Oh, my camera light just went down, but I will. And I believe that's the number on it. I cannot see that number at all. And it's just too small. Now, remind you, I am 50 years old, so take that with a grain of salt. But it still feels good. And I don't know how old it is. I don't know how often the guy used it. He wasn't too sure what it was. But yeah, I figured for $5, why not, right? It still looks really good on the inside. But I figured I'd show you. It's awesome little new piece of tools. I'm going to have to put this on a rack. That way I don't lose it. But yeah, you just never know what you're going to find at a pawn shop or, storage bin sale, whatever it is. So always keep your eyes open. Look in the little corners, because that's where this was, a little corner of a shelf. And I just happened to see that much of it. But there you go, folks. Have a great day.